Today we're at St Cuthbert's Primary School in Carlisle. As the Cumberland Building Society, we sponsor a financial education programme through EVERFI, and we take that out to schools within our geography to enhance their understanding of financial management from an early age.
We're having a session about spending money and how to spend money. The Cumberland and EVERFI have came to visit our school to teach us about saving money, prioritising money.
I think financial literacy is something that if you work in financial services you take for granted, but actually it's a skill that not everybody has. And I think it's important, if we are to play a role in society, that we help people understand the importance of money and how to manage it and to start them early.
I think it's important to learn about money so that later on in our life we'll have a good education on how we spend our money and how we work with our money.
We've been learning about how to make your own decisions, like for example, the things you need and the things you want. Maybe one day when you grow up, you could put it into action.
So many young people leave school without an appreciation of the criticality of being able to manage money, particularly at times when funds might be tight. And hopefully we can support them to save those funds towards their principal aims and objectives in life.
I love the session. I love the kind people who work with EVERFI in Cumberland.
I feel I was very lucky in that my parents were very strong in supporting me in understanding budgets and how to manage pocket money from an early age. But not all children are prepared in the same way at home. It's really important that we can ensure that every child leaving school is equipped with the means to manage their money.
The kids have really enjoyed it. They've been really interactive. They have been asking us lots of questions.
The kids are having a great day, loads of energy, enthusiasm and great fun, so what more could you ask for?